As you take this opportunity right now to settle into a comfortable position, take a moment and thank yourself for showing up. Showing up for yourself, your mind, your well-being. If you're joining me today as part of the Boho Beautiful 14 Days of Yoga and Mindfulness journey, welcome to day 1. Let us begin today by simply taking the opportunity to check in with ourselves. Check in with how you're feeling right now in this moment. Give yourself permission to let go into the present moment. Close your eyes. Let the heaviness release. Breathe in and let it go. Breathe in peace. Breathe in love. Breathe in light. Breathe in presence, divine energy. Breathe it all in and let it go. Give yourself permission to be still, to soften, to surrender to the present awareness. Breathe in and let it go. Allow yourself to let the heaviness move downward through your body into the earth. Feel this shift. Feel the weightlessness of your own heart as you let go deeper and deeper. Relax your face, your shoulders. Let it go. Take another breath, and this time guide your breath, this pure oxygen of love, into every cell of your being. Let it release toxicity, frustration, pain. Let it release through your long exhalation, visualizing, seeing this unwanted energy leaving your body, leaving your mind, leaving your heart. Let it go. Let go of all that's holding you back. As you make this decision to create a new reality for yourself, a reality that is filled with love, kindness, joy, compassion, and peace. Welcome it into your life as you breathe in, breathe out. As you allow yourself to sit with this energy for a moment in stillness, in deep meditation. Feel free to use the following mantra to keep your mind, your awareness grounded and present if you need it. My decisions today will define my tomorrow. My decisions today will define my tomorrow. Breathe in. Let it go. Go within. Now slowly begin to come back to your breath. Let go of your mantra and simply stay in the stillness, this present awareness of love, kindness, joy, and peace. Stay here as long as you need to, and whenever you're ready, slowly you may open your eyes and bring your awareness back to your body. From my heart to yours, with love and gratitude. Namaste. This guided meditation is part of the Boho Beautiful free meditation and yoga program. To sign up for free and receive the entire 2-week program of 28 videos at absolutely no cost to you, go to bohobeautiful.life/free yoga. Thank you again for being here with me today. I'm sending you all my love and all my light. Namaste.